Hey friends, I just got home from shopping. I stopped at my local Crest. I needed some more milk, and I always get my milk there because they offer a discount when you buy two instead of just one. Their price has been, I want to say all summer long into this fall and winter, has been $3 and some odd cents. And then when you buy the two, you get $1.46 off of each, making them $2.52 each. I buy two, I freeze one. I've never had any issues with the frozen one after it's thawed not being okay or being spoiled. I've never had any issues with that. I know some people say that the taste is off. I've never noticed that. You just have to make sure that you give it a good shake, and then after that it pours and tastes is the exact same as it would be if you just refrigerated it. So that's how I like to do it. I like to get that discount, and it makes it worth getting the full gallons. While I was in there, I noticed that they had these Pillsbury, it actually said any baked goods on a digital coupon, but they also had these cinnamon rolls marked down. If you bought two, they were $1.98 instead of the normal price of $2.98. And I had the dollar off digital coupon if I bought two. So they ended up being $1.48 each, which is an excellent deal. I know Walmart's price for the Pillsbury cinnamon rolls are $1.09 or $2.97. So there's a difference of 1 cent on their regular price from the Crest store. So I basically got them 50% off each. I checked out their reduced produce cart. They had this pineapple, which definitely needs to be cut up today or tomorrow. They had it for 99 cents. It's perfectly ripe. That's how I would normally, I would probably shop it a little less ripe if I were in the market for one and paying regular price. But there is nothing wrong with this pineapple. I think it's going to taste perfect once I get it cut up, and it's a great price at 99 cents. I also grabbed some apples for 99 cents for this whole bag. They have one Granny Smith in there, and it looks like the rest might be a couple of Red Delicious, maybe some Gala apples, maybe. These measured out or weighed a little over 3.5 pounds, and so that came out to 28 cents a pound. Excellent deal on that. I grabbed these bell peppers. There's a yellow, two or three greens, and a red for 99 cents. That came out to 19 cents each. I still have some left from about a week and a half to 2 weeks ago that I'm still using those up, but I've got a few left. We'll get those used up, and then I'll start working on this bag here. And I didn't have any oranges, so this was a great deal. These were 99 cents. They ended up weighing 2.5 pounds, or a little over 2.5 pounds, so they came out to about 39 cents a pound. Another great deal there. And these are my favorite salad kits. These sweet kale, they have the poppy seed dressing included. I just love these. I won't buy them though if they're full price. I just am not going to do that. But they were marked down to 99 cents, so I grabbed two. We'll just throw these in with meals the rest of this week and into next week. So we'll definitely use those. But that was it. I spent a total of $12.95 for all of this, which I thought was a great haul. And I will show you my receipt. All right, guys, I will see you on the next one.